So
what happened? Well,
what happened?
I was cleaning and I was putting away a sheet pan for cookies that I made yesterday, and it accidentally hit it. So
We've already replaced it.
we already replaced it. But the bad thing is that these are discontinued from Lowe's.
Yep, and they are a non-standard size. If you notice, this hole is a lot bigger than this hole. So we were looking in the light fixture area to try to find something that would adapt it. The guy there couldn't really find anything. So we thought maybe something in plumbing, but then my wife was like, no, we just need a washer. So we went over to that aisle, and the guy was helping us over there. We couldn't find a washer. And then he thought, oh, plumbing. And I was like, well, I've already thought about plumbing. Let's go over there. So we went over there, and we found this, which is a 1 1/4 inch shallow flange that you use. It's basically just to look good on some kind of pipe or something, right? And I was like, well, we can just use that to adapt it. And because this is, if you notice, it's that size, and it's wide enough on the outside to cover this on the inside. So you just put this up in there, and then the same screws and everything that you already had for the lights up here work fine. So the little back here, the little the little nut and the ring, and it worked fine. It works fine. There, you got it.
We have all three.
We got all three of them up.
So
it's a little bit easier for Megan to do it because her hands are smaller, and my big old fat fingers were having some problems. So advantage, small hands.
And I climbed on top of her island.
Yeah. So yeah, it makes it. There you go. There's your tip, though. Just use a flange.
Yes.
Done.
Bye.
Thanks for visiting our channel, and please like and subscribe if you like what you see.
Bye.